Welcome back guys on another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about Metaverse. Now work with me. I'm going to try to make sure this video is not all that long like other videos we have been making. So stay with me till to the end of this video. You will have learned a lot from it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, plus commenting down in the description. Also share this video if you feel this information is so valuable for another fellow to know it. You subscribing helps you to be notified for whenever we upload a new video like this. Now I've already opened my notes. Our major topic today is people are asking themselves, is Metaverse real? Now going to my notes, everyone talking about the Metaverse right now, but does it actually exist? Now this is the question everyone is trying to ask him or herself. Is Metaverse actually real? Is it existing? Now, are we still along, or are we still along the way from Mark Zuckerberg's vision of a shared virtual reality? Now all these are questions people are asking themselves. Is Metaverse real? Did Mark Zuckerberg show us of him sharing a vision of a shared virtual reality? Is it also possible? Now, when you go deep in the Facebook company of Mark Zuckerberg, because he's the owner of Facebook, with Facebook recently changing its name to Meta, now Facebook is actually called Meta Facebook. There is more conversation than ever before about the Metaverse. Okay, a shared persistent digital environment where users can do practically anything, including work, play, make, cinema trips, game, go to concerts, play sports, and hang out. Now all this stuff will be done by people in the Metaverse. Now the main issue of the Metaverse, you'll be able to work, play, and invest or most of the games in the Metaverse, but you'll be doing it through using your VR headsets, plus using the avatars which will be connected by you having enough gas to actually activate that avatar you'll be using to help you to teleport from one place to another place. Now, since Metaverse is still a new project or a new technology coming up, companies have just started analyzing it and investing in their money. Now like Google is focusing on making 3D glasses or VR reality 3D glasses for people to be wearing on in order to use or participate in this social connection. Now you can see there's a lot of huge companies which are coming, like Microsoft, Facebook, Google. All these companies, they are joining the Metaverse technology. Now why are people saying or asking themselves, is the Metaverse real? It's simple. Metaverse is still an upcoming project which has just started recently, some years back. Now if something is still in the innovation, few people will put focus on it. So the focus or the main issue of us trying to teach people about the innovation of the Metaverse or this new technology called Metaverse, we would like you to be among these people who will invest in their time and money in the Metaverse for you to benefit by the time most of the people know about this particular technology. Now, but at this point, is Metaverse real? Metaverse is a virtual reality world displayed, like we told you, as a planet encircling market where virtual real estate can be bought and sold, and where VR Google wearing users inhabit 3D avatars whose form they have freedom to choose. Now the whole concept of making Metaverse, it will be like a reality world planet, but people will be able to insert themselves or connect with each other through a virtual reality social connection. All this concept is in between the technology of metaverse. Now, the answer of the questions is metaverse being real? Yes, metaverse is real. This is an innovation of a new technology which will be connecting people socially but in a virtual way. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video and commenting down. Have you got any value from this video, or what videos would you like us to make in the nearby future to always bring you the best content on our YouTube channel? Don't forget also to open up an account with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Crypto Exchanger. We'll meet in another video.